how to log into your account on KineMaster. If you want to sign in your account on KineMaster, then follow this instruction in this video. First, make sure that you have downloaded this app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on the search button and type in KineMaster and open this app. After you open this app, you'll see this home page. You can create anything without signing into your account, but to save your progress, you need to sign in. So click on this human icon or written as me option on the bottom right corner, and there it will show you 3 different options. Simply choose the option that you have used during the sign up process. Here I have chosen my Google account, so I'm clicking on this continue with Google option. Now click on continue, and this will direct you to this new page. After that, simply choose account that you have signed up from and click on continue. So this is how you can log into your account on KineMaster. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.